In this video, we will take a look at these 4 cell selection methods under Microsoft Excel's Go to Special feature. Last cell. Visible cells only. Conditional formats. And data validation. Though the names are self-explanatory, we will see them individually with examples. So, let's begin with the last cell method. Here, for demonstration, we have a small dataset. Suppose the dataset is very large, or say, the worksheet has lots of data spread all over it. And, in the endmost cell we have some data that we want to look at. So, instead of scrolling across the whole worksheet, we can use the last cell selection option of the Go to Special feature. Under the Home menu, click on Find and Select. Then click Go to Special. Select the last cell option. Then press OK. This takes us to the last cell containing data of the worksheet and makes that cell active. So, if we are only interested in the value that is present in the last cell of the worksheet, then we can directly jump to it in this way. Now let's look at the next option, visible cells only. We have the same data for demonstration. Suppose we are asked to submit the details of the employees whose salary is above 50,000. Let's quickly sort our data based on the salary. Our data is now sorted. So we are asked to submit the details of the employees having salary above 50,000. Let us hide the rows that contain details of other employees. Now, only the relevant data is visible. Let us try to copy-paste this visible data into another worksheet. Press Ctrl+C to copy. And in the new worksheet, press Ctrl+V to paste. But we see that it copy-pasted all the data that was present in the dataset. Even the hidden cells are included here. This is not what we require. We only want the details of the cells that were visible. So to achieve this, we will take the help of Go to Special. Our visible cells are selected. Then we will open the Go to Special wizard. Select this Visible Cells Only option. Then click OK. This will select only the cells that are not hidden in the selection. Now we will press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then in the other sheet, press Ctrl+V to paste it. We can see that this time only the visible cells got pasted and the hidden cells were ignored. So in this way, we can select visible cells and operate on them. Now let us look at the next selection option. Data validation. This is our demo dataset. We have applied a custom data validation to our email ID column, data validation of date type to date of birth column, and list data validation to designation column. So in all, our dataset has 3 types of data validation applied. Let me demonstrate the applied data validation. If we enter an invalid format email ID, then we get an error message. So our email ID column can only contain valid format email IDs. For date of birth, any date after the year 2000 will give an error. Note that the purpose of the video is not about showing how to apply data validation, so I am not covering it here. For designation, we can see drop-down list. Since our demo dataset is small, it is not a big problem. But if we had lots of data spread all across the worksheet, and if we want to check which all cells have data validation applied to them, then we can use Go to Special. We will open the Go to Special wizard. Select the data validation option. We further get 2 choices to choose from: All and Same. We will see the All choice first. As the name suggests, it will select all the cells on which we have applied data validation, irrespective of the type of data validation. Let's see it. Click OK. We can see that the cells of all the 3 columns on which we applied data validation are selected. Suppose we want to select only those cells that have a particular type of data validation applied to them. For example, we want to select only the cells that have email ID validation applied to them. We will select one of the cells with the required data validation, then we will open the Go to Special wizard. Under the data validation option, we will choose Same. As the name suggests, it should select all the cells that have email data validation applied to them. Click OK. And all the expected cells are selected. In the same way, we can look for any other type of data validation. Like for this list type. We have selected the cell. Then, in Go to Special, for the data validation option, we will select the same. Click OK. All the cells having list type data validations are selected. So this was about the data validation option in the Go to Special. Let us look at the next option, conditional formats. Here we have our demo dataset with some conditional formatting rules applied on designation and salary columns. The designation column and the salary column have different conditional formatting rules applied to them. The conditional formatting rule applied to the cells of the designation column is that if the designation is SSE, then highlight it with pink fill color. The cells of the salary column have different conditional formatting rule, which is, to highlight the cells with the fill color green that have a value of more than 50,000. So in order to find which cell have any kind of conditional formatting applied, then, we can use the Go to Special feature. Open the Go to Special wizard. Select Conditional Formats option. Here also we get two choices. All, and Same. We will select the All option. Then click OK. All the cells that have any kind of conditional formatting applied to them got selected. Suppose we want to select only the cells that have the same kind of conditional formatting rule applied to them. To do so, we will select one of such cells. Open the Go to Special wizard. For the conditional formatting option, we will select Same. Then click OK. So all the cells with the same type of conditional formatting get selected. So this was all about the last cell, visible cells only, conditional formats, and the data validation options of the Go to Special feature in Microsoft Excel. If you liked the information, then, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and patience. Have a nice day.